Okay, this is Dylan. He's one of my coaching clients and he made 50,000 in his first month. And I'm gonna ask him a lot of questions, how he did it, his framework, and he gave a lot of value inside of this call. So just watch it till the end. You're gonna learn something. So let's go. What's good, bro?
Yo, what's good? What's good?
How are you, bro?
Pretty all right. Just in the trenches every day.
Peak. Before we start, how old are you? What's your background?
Yeah, so I'm 21. My name's Dylan. I'm 21. I'm an engineer. I used to work in like advertisement. So, working with all the advertisement algos. That's my background. So decided to like actually put the experience to use with like ecom because it's like, why not, bro?
Yeah.
Everything is data. So I
Yeah.
decided to get into it.
100%. Before we're gonna hop to the real questions, um, what's the data? How much you made this month?
15K loan, just
Peak.
pure profit. A lot
Okay,
of methods, mainly
nice, nice,
organic.
nice. Only organic?
Mainly organic.
Okay, nice. So, for how long are you in the coaching now? And what is the biggest difference you you had before the coaching and after the coaching, you know? Because you started ecom way earlier, and what changed with the coaching?
Yeah, so only just 1 month in the coaching. Generally, without the coaching, I was missing direction.
Mm-hmm.
Like I was working every day, like in the trenches, like literally like 12, 14 hours. I did not know what to do.
Yeah,
But then all of a sudden, I got the direction from coaching, and it's like, holy shit, bro! I know exactly what to focus on every single day. It's
yeah.
like literally brain dead, and it scales so much faster.
Yeah, 100%. So you got a good
Yeah.
direction. What do you mean direction? Like, is it the framework? Is it
You
like, what is it?
Yeah, the framework is provided to me, and
Mm-hmm.
I just know what to. It's basically, it made it so I could just post, and I
Yeah,
know what to post and how to post. Basically, direction is like focusing on the things that actually make you profit, pure
yeah,
profit.
100%. And which niche are you targeting right now so that people know?
Yeah,
Fat
fat loss
loss.
supplement.
And works well
Yeah, super, super well. Yeah,
because ma
especially with
many
the
people
methods.
say, yeah, the conversion rate with organic is ours. Is the conversion rate good for you with our method?
Oh, yeah, yeah. Our method converts insanely. Like most people will be getting like 300K views on TikTok on like a single slideshow, for example. But then all of a sudden, with this conversion method,
Mm-hmm.
we're making like 20 times, 50 times the conversion just with these new methods
Yeah.
that people are pretty much untapped into.
Yeah, Loki is for real untapped. And I think
Yeah.
this is the question most people are interested in. It's like, what is the growth strategy for your organic? How the fuck did you scale to 50K a month um with just organic? What is the growth strategy? Because you use the other
Yeah.
growth strategy, right? You don't use videos, you don't do like link in bio shit. What is it?
It's all just pure volume. Bro,
Yeah,
you have to be posting so much every day. And also you can't just like post brain dead post brain dead sometimes. Sometimes you have to figure out a strategy to post even more every single day.
yeah,
It's like, yeah, you have to post a lot, but you have to figure out your own system. And that way you can scale to like literally 100 posts a day
yeah,
just within a couple hours.
yeah.
It is
That's
crazy
nice.
what you
That's
can do.
nice. That's nice. You do slideshows, right?
Yeah, purely
How do
slideshows.
you say what's the perfect slideshow for you, like for the beginner? How should a perfect slideshow look like?
Perfect slideshow. It depends on
The
the
niche.
profile.
Oh, okay.
Some get more views than others.
Mm-hmm.
But if, let's say I wanted the perfect slideshow, I would copy like winning competitors that
Mm-hmm.
are selling a product. They have like millions of views on their profile, and maybe they're selling some way like they're selling in this third slide. I
Mm-hmm.
would copy it exactly. That is the perfect slideshow to basically scale to like 50K. It's
Okay. Yeah.
super simple. Yeah.
Makes sense. Makes sense. And finding competitors. What's like? You don't need to leak the whole method, but what it's how do you find competitors to actually?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bro, the secret trick is to like make a burner account and then doom scroll on it. But bro, the method is that you have to be searching terms that like relate to your product,
Mm-hmm.
and there's also like untapped like hashtags, for example. You have to
Yeah.
be searching through those.
Yeah. I know.
Everything is just research. All It's
Yeah.
all research,
Yeah.
bro.
I
I'm
know.
not gonna leak them, but
Yeah. I
yeah.
see. And because many beginners watching this video and saying, "What the fuck? He skilled so much," and so many people, I think, watching this video and they didn't had the first sale. So, what advice could you give like a normal person starting out with ecom to get to the first sale?
Yeah, I would say the number one advice is to just output as much as you can every single day.
Yeah,
And you have to have like the desperation. You have to be like so desperate, like, bro, I wanted it so bad. I was literally like missing meals, like
yeah. Oh,
food.
yeah, fuck yeah.
It's just pure desperation, bro. Like
Yeah,
I can tell you to post a lot, but that's not gonna help. You need
yeah.
the desperation.
Yeah, but I
Yeah,
see your mental side is good, right? So
yeah,
before you started e-commerce, did you had like limiting beliefs or something? Like now, I think your
yeah,
mentality is
yeah,
getting better because you see it works. But most beginners have like a bit scarcity if this even work or not, you know?
yeah. I think to some extent everyone has limiting beliefs,
Yeah,
but then once I got to the coaching and I realized it worked, I see like just like even one sale, and then from then on,
it's
I'm
just
like,
more
holy shit,
input.
this works.
Yeah.
It's you have to be able to like breadcrumb your own mentality.
Mm-hmm.
Breadcrumb as in you see one thing, one tiny thing working, and you go bam, you go full into that
Yeah,
every single
100%.
day. Yeah.
Yeah. And this worked good, right? Like going into the thing that already worked for you, just do more of it, right?
Yeah. It's
Yeah.
just do more of what works.
Okay. What is like the perfect ICP? Like if you have a like ideal customer profile, okay, from an ecom guy, how would the perfect ecom guy look like? Like his mentality, what he's doing all day.
Yeah.
What is the perfect ICP?
Yeah. So basically, like the sort of persona that you're trying to achieve with a perfect e-com mentality is that you have to be absolutely ruthless. Like you cannot think that every day you're just gonna like do some bullshit. You have to be like, I know. You have to be like, I know I'm gonna beat everyone else.
Yeah, that's
I
nice.
know that I'm gonna be better than everyone in this space, because otherwise you're not gonna make it. You're gonna be like, oh, every day, why? Like, why am I doing this,
Yeah,
bro? Everyone does. Everyone thinks that, but when you actually like put in the work and you truly believe it, not just believing it, but putting in every single day, it's from there it's all free coast.
yeah, 100%. That's right. That's right. Yeah,
Yeah.
100%. I think it's the same mentality we all have. Like we all a bit think we are kind of the best of what we're doing. Even though you're a beginner, you should have a crazy mentality even to start. And I think it evolves over the time.
Yeah. And,
Um,
and like you don't have to think that you're better in literally everything.
everything, yeah.
It can just be one thing that makes you pure profit. Because for me, it's like I know my organic system is gonna fucking print.
Yeah,
It has printed me so much, and I'm developing constantly developing this process, so I know I'm gonna be the best in the game.
yeah,
And in
100%.
fact, I probably think I am right
Yeah.
now. Yeah.
Oh yeah, man. You still could like getting better every day, but you need to have like a shark mentality for this. Um,
Yeah.
because many people DMing me, they're interested for a mentorship, but right now our mentorship is like really limited. Do you say the mentorship is it worth it or is it not? Because many people are still scared, say, what the fuck, bro? Like not this known.
Yeah. It is 100% worth it. And the thing is, you can't just go into it with like a mentality that you're gonna make it back within a week.
Yeah,
Like it honestly, it only takes a month. That's
yeah,
that's all it took for me. That's
yeah,
literally all it took. And like
100%.
the people underestimate the payoff. It's literally 10 times the amount you spend for just the coaching,
Yeah, 100%.
just within the
Yeah.
first month if you
What
put in the
was the
work.
most valuable thing for you, like in the coaching? Was it the one-to-one calls? Was it like the group chat? What was it like?
I think that everything is valuable,
Mm-hmm.
but just the number one thing was providing like a daily framework pretty
Yeah,
much,
the,
so
the
you know what
structure.
to focus on.
Yeah,
You know how to swim and float on your own
yeah.
and not just drown or
Was this a struggle for you at the beginning? Like, don't have like a clue what to do?
oh yeah,
Yeah,
100%. But then just within like a week or two, I was like, I know what I'm gonna do. I know how to make profit. I've
yeah.
already done so much. Yeah.
Okay, nice, nice, nice. And right now you only do organic, right? And organic slideshows. Do you think you are getting to the video side or do you still being on the slideshow side forever?
I'm testing videos right now, but
Mm-hmm.
you should be mainly just focusing on what works. Like if videos don't work for you, then don't do videos. If
Yeah.
slideshows work, then do slideshows.
Yeah,
It's
most
simple.
most
And
people do
yeah,
slideshows because it's cheaper and faster to create. Like you could test, 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 test. And with like videos, they take a long time and it's like
costs more
sometimes
money.
not worth
Yeah.
the time.
Yeah.
Yeah. And right now, you only use like TikTok to push out, or are you using like Facebook, older audiences, or like Instagram Reels, like the
Yeah, yeah.
what
You
do you?
can test pretty much anything. A lot of people do Instagram, but Instagram converts more with different methods.
Yeah,
So I'm testing with those right now. But again, you have to test. You have to just spam what works. So
yeah,
mainly I'm doing TikTok.
So your whole game is right now volume, kind of predicting the data, like having like I don't know the English word hypothesis. You know this?
Hypothesis testing,
Yeah,
correct.
fuck yeah,
Yeah, so I'm
and
a big data guy, right?
yeah,
Like you have to be testing and seeing what works. Where you can't just look at shit and like be like, oh, maybe
yeah,
this is working. No, you have to look at the data.
yeah,
You
hundred
have to be
percent.
putting out enough volume to determine whether or not something works.
Yeah. I think this is like the most valuable thing from your side, like already knowing how to read the data, because many people struggle with this. And it's like put a lot of volume in and just look at it. It's low-key so simple. Just look at it, what performs and what makes you money, and do the thing that makes you fucking money, you know. But some people
Yeah.
struggle with it. And like reading the data, do you have like any tip of it? Like because it was your job, you did it like I don't know how
Yeah.
many years you learned fucking data. So what is like the most
Yeah.
valuable thing?
Oh, yeah. So just from my like the 2 years I've dealt with data, you have to be looking at the outliers and you either take the outliers or you look at what's consistently winning.
Mm-hmm.
So it's both like if you have a 10 million view slideshow, you look exactly for what works for that slideshow and why that did that.
Yeah.
And then you go to what consistently works. Maybe you're getting 100K consistently on a few slideshows.
Yeah.
Or a competitor is. You have to look at those and replicate it across the
Yeah.
board. It's
Yeah. So
yeah,
you're not only analyzing your own videos, you're also analyzing the competitors' videos and thinking why the fuck
yeah,
did it work?
100%.
Yeah, and
Yeah, this is like the number one
it's
thing in
yeah,
ecom
hundred
is
percent.
analyzing.
Many people don't do it, but yeah, it's like a
Yeah.
free sauce there. Like just look at the competitors, look why the fuck they could scale with slideshows, and just
Yeah. Yeah,
think about
and
it.
most of the time everyone has tested everything.
Yeah.
So if there's something working, you just have to look at it and literally sometimes you just have to
To
rip it.
rip it,
That's
yeah.
literally it. Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes it's really easy, like making the first $1,000 with organic, it's like brain dead. But
It is literally
yeah,
branded,
for
yeah.
real, for real, for real. So do you have like any tips because I'm gonna end this soon, like the call. But do you have any tips for starters, immediate people, like any tip you could give out? Not just the mental part, like just a bit sauce.
Yeah. I think in terms of mental sauce, right?
Mm-hmm. Oh, it
Yeah,
doesn't need to
mental
be
sauce.
mental sauce. It could be like a bit of framework or something, or what they should improve
Oh
on the
yeah,
account or something.
framework. Yeah. So if you're posting, let's say, a few slideshows and you have to like constantly do shit over, like it takes you 2 hours for like a 3 post slideshow and you don't know what works, just go to a competitor and rip it and
Yeah,
figure out a way to literally put out the same slideshow in like 10 minutes.
yeah,
Literally just do that. Yeah.
yeah. You're using Polaris or Higgsfield right now?
No, Polaris.
Yeah,
The Higgsfield is way too expensive, bro.
yeah,
And Polaris, like, there's gonna be like new features soon I'm testing too. Like, it is crazy.
yeah.
And
For the
yeah,
guys that don't know what
plenty.
Polaris is, it's something like Higgsfield but made for e-commerce. It's linked down below, guys.
Yeah, I think it's like 50% or something right now, right?
Yeah, yeah,
I don't know.
50% off.
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah,
Low-key, this is gonna be the call. It was a nice call. Some people would think it was free value for the people, I think. And yeah. Thank you,
yeah,
bro.
yeah. Thank you so much.
Easy,
Glad to be
easy,
on here.
easy, easy.
Yeah.